Good afternoon to all my dear students. I am Dr. Faizal Ahmed, uh, Associate Professor, Mechanical Engineering Department and SIRT Bhopal. And I'm having a topic of basic mechanical engineering. I'm going to tell you basics of IC engine, especially. We mean by this basics of IC engine. I'm going to take a session on this. So, first of all, after at the end of this session, for the students will be able to understand the concepts of heat engines, understand the construction details of four-stroke, two-stroke petrol, as well as diesel engine, classify heat engines, understand the working of four-stroke, two-stroke petrol, as well as diesel engine, which are very common, and compare between these four-stroke and two-stroke engines. These are the basic points that a student will able to learn after having this presentation. So this is the among curiosity among various students that how an IC engine work and what this will give a basic knowledge and clear cut knowledge of an IC engine concepts. So here it is a kind of a heat engine. We all know that heat engine. What does a heat engine do? It converts chemical energy or the fuel into heat energy, and then heat energy will convert into mechanical energy. It is divided with transform chemical energy of fuel into thermal energy, that is heat energy, and utilize this thermal energy to perform useful work. As you can see in the animation, chemical energy is converted to heat energy, and then it is converted to mechanical work. So this is what is happening. The heat engine David classification is a very important factor in mainly two categories. That is external combustion engine, like the one in steam engine, and other one is the internal combustion engine. These are the major two types. And furthermore, classification, if you see it, that is external combustion engine, that is a steam engine. You see here that the cylinder where the firing of the fuel take place outside the uh, engine cylinder, combustion take place outside within the steam, which is used to move the piston of cylinder. This is steam engine. Same is in a power plant also. You can see that there is a boiler, then steam engine, a condenser, feed pump for water circulation, and then back to boiler. So the cycle is completed in this manner. This is it. So this is what is happening in a power plant. You can see here it is a full-based power plant. There the burning take place, and after burning, it is in burning of fuel. Whatever the fuel you are taking, either it is nuclear power plant, nuclear fuel has been fusion reaction taking place, and water has been converted to steam, and this steam is used to operate turbine. Turbines generator will work, and after generation, electricity will be generated, and rest the condensed steam will be converted back to water and again released. This is the process which is going on. Then we have this internal combustion engine, where the combustion takes place inside the engine cylinder. Various fuels are used in this. These are petrol, diesel, and gas. These are various fuels. And you can see here, this is how it is happening. There is exhaust wall, the sparking is then taking place, and the piston is moving up and down. There is a crankcase, piston you can see here. Now this one is internal combustion, and that is another type of license. This is type of fuel injection. Type of fuel like a gasoline engine, four-stroke gasoline engine, two-stroke gasoline engine, diesel engine, rotary engine. These are the various types of engine we can classify it. Type depending on the type of fuel. Now this according to type of fuel use, it can be petrol, it can be diesel, it can be CNG, gas engine, and so on and so forth. Classification of IC engine, and upon it depends. Other classification are on the ignition properties like spark ignition, compression. Then classification according to the number of strokes per cycle. That is four-stroke cycle, two-stroke cycle. These are various classification how the engine according to cycle operation. Auto cycle, diesel cycle, dual cycle. Types of cycle which is used like in diesel engine, dual cycle. Parallel cycle has been used mainly. Classification according to the speed of the engine, slow speed, medium speed, high speed engine. These are various classifications. Then types of cooling, air cooled engine, water cooled engine. Then according to matter of fuel injection, carburetor engine, carburetor, air fuel mixage combines there in the carburetor, and then centrifugal engine. Then we have air injection. Air is injected into cylinder, it is compressed quantity times approximately, and then fuel injected into it. According to arrangement of cylinder, vertical engine, horizontal engine, radial engine, inline engine, V-engine. These are also another method how engine is being classified. Right now we have according to the number of cylinders. Single cylinder engine, like the one which is used in scooters, scooter, Activa, and Scooty. Then multi-cylinder engine, like car. We have classification of ICE engine according to the wall mechanism. That is overhead wall engine, single head wall. Now you can see here terms related to engine. Various terms which are related to this engine are number one is bore. This is called the bore of the engine. Then number two is top dead center, where the piston reaches up to top dead bottom. Then bottom dead center, the piston reaches the bottom dead bottom. Stroke, this distance difference between PDC and BDC is stroke. Then we have clearance volume. This volume above PDC is clearance volume. So you can see here in the graph. And then sweat volume is the volume sweat by the piston during one stroke. Complete. That is called sweat volume. Look there. Then we have total volume, that is above sweat volume and clearance volume. That is total volume. So this is the how the terminology which is used. Now we have compression ratio, maximum upon minimum, clearance ratio. This is clearance ratio, clearance volume upon sweat volume. Then we have expansion ratio, that is maximum volume upon minimum expansion. Suction stroke, their operations, all the engine mainly contain scopes of suction, compression, expansion, and exhaust stroke are there. Now you can see in this figure various names, terminology used for four-stroke engine. It's called petrol engine. Okay, these are the various terminology which can be used here, and the parts are classified accordingly. Right? Then we have this petrol four-stroke engine required four-stroke of a cycle. And the mixture petrol mixed with the proportional quantity of air and the carburetor, known as charge or described the suction, compression, expansion, and exhaustion. It's the same in the diesel engine and petrol engine, but cycle operations are more or less the same. Then this is how it is working. This is the working. This is the piston is working. You can see here the fuel is coming out. It has been compressed. And this is how various fuel operations being operated. You can see here this is a four-stroke engine, how it is been operating here. Hope this is clear. Okay. So that's all for today. Thank you for patient listening.